Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss Leetcode problem of the day, and today's problem is calculate money in Leetcode bank, and it is an easy level problem. So basically we have been given an integer n and we have to count, or we have to tell the total number of money we'll have in the Leetcode bank at the nth day, right? And we have some rules for submitting money in the bank. Unfortunately, this bank doesn't give any interest, so all the money that we'll have will be the money that we have submitted, right? So the thing goes like this: we put $1 in the first Monday, and then on the Tuesday we add one more dollar, right? So if we put 1 on Monday, then we'll add 2 on Tuesday, then 3 on Wednesday, and then 4 Friday, and so on, as 7 on Sunday, right? Now when the next week starts from Monday, we are going to put one more dollar than the previous week's Monday, right? Not the previous day, but the previous week's Monday. So the best example, as you can see here, is for this particular value n is equal to 10, or let us take a better example, this one, right? So here what you can see, the day number of days is 20. We start with one day, Monday, and this is 1. Then we have Tuesday, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once the week is completed and we start the next week, we are going to add 1 to the previous Monday's value, right? So the previous Monday value was 1 here, so we are going to start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then when the next week starts, we are going to start from 3, since the previous week Monday was 2, right? And hence we can calculate the total number of money that we have put in the bank. So since the value of n is up to 1000 only, we can easily calculate all of these things with a simple loop. And as you can see, I've initialized my day and week with 1. So this basically says that I'm currently at day 1 and I'm currently at week 1, right? And I've initialized my answer with 0 as well. Now I'm going to take a while loop while day is less than n plus 1. So while I have not completed the number of days, I'm going to initialize. So this is the mark of a new week, right? So I have initialized my I with 0. This particular variable I is going to denote the current day of the week, right? So what I'm going to do is, while I is less than 7, so I'm trying to traverse all the 7 days of the week and days less than n plus 1 as well, right? So if during the week I have completed the number of days, then I'll have to break as well, right? So I have both of these conditions. Now I'll add week plus I into my answer. So you see, the first week, for the first week we started with 1, right? This particular value 1, and I am going to do increment of week later on. So when we start for the second week, it is going, this value week is going to be 2, right? And then accordingly, depending on the number of day or the depending on the current day of the week, I'll add I to my answer value, right? So basically for the first week, initially this will be 1, then 2, then 3, 4, and so on up to 7. And then when the week gets incremented for the next week, this value is going to start from 2, then 3, and then 4, and so on, right? So this will continue on. Now I will increment my day and I'll increment the current day of the week, right? So at the end, when all of these loops have been completed, I am going to return my answer. So this whole while loop, 2 while loops are only going to run in the order of O of n, right? That is the number of days. So let me just quickly submit this and show you that this particular solution works and this approach is absolutely correct. So you see, it passes all the test cases, and you see, like, this is why I don't trust Leetcode. I have submitted the exact same code, and here it is 3 milliseconds and here it is 0 milliseconds, and I can even show you by opening this particular code. So you see, this is the same code. I have not even changed anything. I just included a comment on this particular line here, right? Rest all the things are same. And here you see 3 millisecond, and even for the runtime it was saying, you see, this is, so anyways, like the runtime is different. That is what I wanted to say. So that is it for this particular video. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then consider dropping a like on this video, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, because your engagement with this video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you, and it will be able to reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So that is it for today. Till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.